John Vic Remulla has been sworn in as the new Interior Chief. No less than President Bongbong Marcos led the oath-taking of Remulla on Tuesday. John Vic replaces Benher Abalos, who is now seeking a Senate seat. Remulla's first assignment from Marcos is to organize the PNP and enforce the Pogo ban.
I will start with my province and make sure that it is closed. I will visit each and every one personally and padlock the premises.
Tatlong Remulla na ang nasa
Tatlo? Sino ba?
BBM government administration.
Si
Una,
Boying, Secretary Boying Remulla of the DOJ.
Si Gilbert Remulla, one of the board directors ng PAGCOR. Tapos ito na ngayon, si Secretary ng DILG, si John Vic Remulla. So doon sa mga nagtatanong, yung iniwang niyang posisyon bilang governor sa Cavite, syempre ang papalit doon yung vice governor niya. Yung babae, Tolentino ata.
Vice governor na ba ang papalit?
Vice governor, yung yung babae, first ever female governor sa Cavite.
And the vice governor will be appointed.
I guess, hindi ko alam yung...
Kasi the vice president can be appointed eh.
Or tama.
Oo.
Nasa isip ko kasi yung sa... Pero anyway, so
Yeah,
yun yung
because
papalit.
this is
First
because
ever female governor sa Cavite.
Medyo mabigat ang task at hand ni the new DILG secretary dahil we're at the tail end or the last quarter of the year already, and then yung Pogo ban in effect sa December.
Kailangan.
So gusto ni PBBM baklas, wala nang matitirang mga Pogos pagdating ng December. So ngayon pa lang systematically dapat i-eradicate niya na yan.
Yes.
Oo.
Parang yung fate niya, parang nangyari din kay DOJ Secretary Boying Remulla. 'Di ba kasi itong si DOJ Secretary Boying Remulla before nanalo siya, 'di ba? District representative sa Cavite. Pero right after manalo ni President Bongbong Marcos, inappoint siya bilang DOJ Secretary. So he had to leave vacate the position. So right now itong kapatid niya ganun din ang nangyari.
Pero madaming nagsasabi parang nag-aksaya sila ng votes.
Kasi sila yung nilukok.
Dapat kasi ang sabi ng iba the mandate of the people should be above the mandate of being appointed by the president. Because 'di ba, everyone in government serves the people. And if the people voted you in as a governor, that means they want you there. But equally if you can serve the same purpose naman of yung anti-criminality, corruption, yung DILG naman yan, yan ang puntirya niya, lahat ng local governments, yan ang sakop ng DILG. Hawak mo pa yung PNP.
So tingnan natin kung ano nga magagawa dito ni bagong talaga
especially now
Secretary John Vic.
In like with these issues ng PNP sa mga hearing.
Oo, sa Pogo. Mamaya pag-usapan natin
sikat ang PNP sa mga hearing ngayon.
Exactly. Sige.